PH02 weather, Kamakapili.
Aloha poa ono, happy Saturday. We do see mostly dry conditions across the islands with the exception of Hawaii Island and East Maui, where we continue to see some heavy showers, but that will slowly start to dwindle and become a little more dry, but we still are going to expect scattered showers to continue across all the islands because then there's going to be another element that's going to be playing a part in the wet weather that looks to continue into the forecast. So tonight we can continue to expect isolated thunderstorm chances for windward sides of Hawaii Island and Maui. That then diminishes around 10, 11 o'clock tonight. But the rain threat will continue tomorrow, and it's just going to be a little break before we see some heavier showers because of a couple elements playing a part. Now, in terms of the surf, this current swell continues to dwindle. So these numbers are from the first half of the day. We may have a little bump, but we're going to expect the next big swell to start to fill in around Wednesday, leading to larger waves for the second half of this upcoming week. 3 to 5 footers up towards the north, 1 to 3 for the west, south, and east facing shores. The jellyfish threat has come to an end. They have hopefully swam back into deeper waters. Now, the good news in terms of the winds, despite the fact that numbers will remain on the lighter side, we're going to start to see northerly winds build behind this cold front that's going to start to move down the islands tomorrow into Sunday, and pretty gusty at times, or at least I should say breezy at times, moving down the island chain, and that's what's going to bring some of the cooler conditions. We were looking at that dew point map earlier, so we're expecting around Monday night into Tuesday to start to feel the cooler temperatures, especially at night. Now, in terms of the cold front that's going to be moving into the islands, timeline-wise, again, it's going to start from the west end, Kauai. We're going to start to see that really start to develop around by tomorrow evening, and you can see we're going to have some periods of heavy showers. Now, the thing is, this system looks to be moving quite slowly, and that could be increasing the threat when it comes to flooding. Now, we'll keep our eyes on that. The second big element that's going to be playing a part in the wet weather in this upcoming week is a developing low system or a storm system that pretty much develops within the cold front boundary that moves down the island chain. So there's going to continue to see some lingering moisture across the islands, leeward sides, as that storm moves in from the west. The heaviest showers looks to be from Wednesday into Aloha Friday, Wednesday, Thursday in particular as the heaviest in terms of the impacts, just in time to start off the year of the wooden snake on Wednesday. Kangi Fat Choi.